Today I'm going to show you how to save $53,272 on your home or more guaranteed. But before we begin, I want you to ask yourself, which sign would you rather have in your front yard? The sign on the left in the red says, I had a 5.5% rate and paid $400,000 in interest. The sign on the right in the blue says I had a 1.275% effective rate and paid only $125,000 in interest. Now that's a dramatic difference. But to get that dramatic difference, let's consider our options. Our first option is the traditional one, the one that most people do because they don't know any better. And that is that they discover that every lender and every realtor can help you do three things. They can help you buy a home, get a loan, and pay it off in, say, 30 years. Or let's consider option number two. Now this is for illustrative purposes only, but let's say you purchase and finance a $100,000 home at, let's say, 5.5% interest rate. Let's say instead of shooting for a 30-year loan, let's say you try to pay off your home loan in 6 years. Let's say you work towards paying your debt off in 10 months. And the interest you save just on this alone, just on interest, is $84,847.88. But that's not all, because you've also lowered your effective interest rate now to 1.215%. And with those other 24 years that you're no longer making payments at 5% or more, you still have that $426,984.25 that you could use in other areas of your life. This is where it gets really cool. Let's investigate option number three. We call this the Real Estate Squared 30-year plan. Now in that plan, we're going to use this just as an illustrative purpose again. In the same amount of time, considering repairs, upgrades, and remodeling, you could still effectively have 4 homes in the same amount of time, fully paid off in that same 30 years. So there you are, you own 4 homes, and at the end of a 30-year period, you have $0 in monthly payments, 3 extra homes that you can use as rental properties, and now an average income of, let's say, $4,500 per month. Now again, this is estimated. Might be a little more, might be a little less in your area, but if you've got a decent home, you should be able to rent it out for an average of $1,500, and with 3 extra properties, that's $4,500 extra in your pocket every month to pay towards bills, to enjoy life, to go on cruises, to do whatever you want. Here's where it starts to make a difference. And I have to admit to you that yes, hiring the right realtor and lender does make a difference. Today I'd like to introduce you to Mark Dankman. Mark and his staff are going to help you bring down those bills, pay them off early, pay off your house early, and do what you need to do to get your life on track. And all you have to do to get started is fill out the form to the right or click the Facebook button below. That's all you have to do to get started right now. So now is the time. Take action. Talk to you soon.